Hi there, good morning, sir. I'm Marcelo Benjamin, presenting to you my table appointment for breakfast in Russian service table setup. It consists of the following: chinaware, flatwares, glasswares, hollowwares, and linens. For the chinaware and flatwares, it start with a showbiz plate that holds the dinner plate. The dinner plate paired with dinner knife and dinner fork. Fish plate paired with fish knife and fish fork. Salad plate paired with salad knife and salad fork. Soup bowl with underliner paired with soup spoon. The left side of my table setup is the bread plate paired with bread and butter spreader. The right side of my setup is the cup and saucer paired with teaspoon, escargot or oyster fork that used for any special seafoods like baked scallops or other seashells product. Above of my table setup is the dessert spoon and dessert fork. 1 inch above the dinner knife is the water goblet, followed by the red wine glass, white wine glass, champagne flute, and sherry glass for wine taster. For the hollowwares, we have sugar and creamer containers for breakfast, for coffee and tea, salt and pepper shakers used for seasoning. For the centerpiece, I have a artificial bunch of flower. For the linens, I have white tablecloth and red table napkin folded into birds of paradise used for date proper. Bye. Thank you. Hi there, good morning, sir. I'm Marcelo Abel Jr., presenting to you my table appointment for breakfast in American table service. It consists of the following: chinaware, flatware, glassware, hollowwares, and linens. The, the dinner knife paired with dinner fork and salad fork. The left side of my setup is the bread plate and paired with bread and butter spreader. The right side of my setup is cup and saucer paired with teaspoon. Above of my plate setup is the dessert spoon and dessert fork. 1 inch above the dinner knife is the water goblet. And for the hollowers, I have sugar and creamer container for coffee and tea, salt and pepper shaker used for seasoning, and also for the centerpiece, I have a artificial flower. And for the linens, I have a forest green tablecloth and green table napkin and folded into French French fold. It's used for formal dining. And thank you.